Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss some of the essential features of the object oriented programming paradigm. So next feature is nothing but inheritance. Inheritance. What is the meaning of inheritance? I am just going to discuss in a very brief manner. Inheritance is nothing but inheriting one class, inheriting the attributes and the behavior and the features of another class by which we can reuse, by which we can apply the concept of reusability is called inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but inheriting or getting or deriving some features from another class. So when one class derives some attributes, that is characteristics or behavior from another class, the concept is called inheritance, by which we can apply the concept of what? Reusability. That is, we can use the features of an existing class in a class which is to be derived from the existing class, and the existing class is called the superclass, and the class which is derived from it is called the existing class from which we can derive is called the base class rather, and the class which we derive from the base class is called the subclass or the derived class. So this reusability concept is used by the method of inheritance, and we will go deep into this discourse afterwards. Now for the basic overview which we are discussing in this topic is this much, which is nothing but when one class derives some attributes or behavior or features from any other existing class, and that concept of deriving the attributes and behavior from the base class by the derived class is called the concept of inheritance. Now the next feature which we are going to discuss is that is called message passing. Message passing. What is message passing? Message passing is nothing but when we call a function, when we try to implement a function or an operation to be applied on some data members of a specific class, then we call the function, we invoke the function by not merely calling the name of the function as we have seen in the case of normal procedure oriented programming languages like C. We will call the function by the help of an object of that class separated by the function name, separated with the function name rather, by means of a period operator, that is a dot operator. Suppose if we want to call a function, suppose the function name is xyz, and we will not call the function directly like xyz as has been done in the procedure oriented programming language, that is POP. But in this case, we are going to call the function with the help of the object, that is, suppose the class is ABC, its object is suppose A, and that function inside the class, member function inside the class is xyz. So we will address that xyz function by the object A by writing like this, A dot xyz, something like this. So suppose I am writing an example, class ABC. It has suppose it has a data member int A, and it has a function, void xyz. And now, in order to call this function, which will suppose act on this data member A, we have to call in this manner, like we have to create an object of this class ABC by writing in this manner. ABC, suppose ABC. So capital ABC is the name of the class and small abc is the name of the object of this class ABC, which has one data member A, which is essentially private, because if nothing is written over over the variable, it is by default considered to be private. That is, it is inaccessible from the outside part of this class, and this public means it is visible to the outside part of the class, and this function is void xyz, which is written under the public section. And this xyz, suppose this xyz operates on this data member A, and to apply the function or to invoke the function, we will have to invoke the function in this way. That is, suppose this is the object, we have to invoke the function or call the function by writing like this: ABC dot, that is period operator, ABC period operator, function name is xyz. So this is nothing but the message passing. So message passing is the concept of calling a function or invoking a function, invoking a member function with the help of an object by calling the function in this manner, So this is nothing but message passing. This is an essential feature of object oriented programming. So if you have any doubts and queries pertaining to this section, you can well post your doubts and queries into the comment section below so that I can address them. Thanks for watching this video.